Something bad will... Oh no!
I get that you're just looking out for me, Katie, but now is the time of me set... Katie? Katie? Huh, she really is helping me by now. Why is she so... Oh, that's why. Katie!
Toodle! Toodle! Oh no!
Whoa! Holy moly! What was that?
Mama! Whoa! Oh, Mamma Mia! I've heard of a gold rush, but this is ridiculous!
Oh no, 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 no!
Hey man, is the caboose running? Well, you better go catch it if you can.
Oh no, oh no, 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 no!
Hold on, Katie! I'm coming!
How am I gonna stop now? I'll be smashed like a pop can if I hit the buffers.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
Don't, Toodle! You're gonna cause us both to crash.
Don't worry, Katie. It's gonna work.
They should have been here by now. I wonder if they're okay.
Toodle! Look out!
Katie!
Oh no! Maybe it's just that I'm not fully used to being around trains. But I thought the caboose was always coupled behind and not running on the loose.
You okay, Katie?
I think so. You?
I am now. I'm sorry for not slowing down. I should have listened to you and been more careful.
It's okay. I knew you were just trying to help both Caminita and me when I got disconnected.
Well, I guess you were the one who needed help this time around.
And I'm glad I've got a friend who can make that happen.
Hey, guys. Are those my new parts?
Express delivery!